Namaskar, I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's daily weather briefing. So if we look at past 24 hours of observed weather, then dense to very dense fog was observed over isolated pockets of Odisha, Uttarakhand and at many places over Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh. Then dense fog conditions, that is when the visibility was between 50 meters to 200 meters, it was reported over isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, East Madhya Pradesh. Cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed over some places of Bihar, West Madhya Pradesh and East Uttar Pradesh, and cold day conditions prevailed over West Uttar Pradesh. Cold wave conditions prevailed over Uttarakhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh, and heavy rainfall occurred over isolated places of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now the highlights of today's video are: under the influence of current western disturbance, heavy rain and snowfall is likely to occur over Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh regions from 30th of December to 1st of January. Then dense to very dense fog conditions are likely to continue over during night and morning hours over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh till 31st of December, East Uttar Pradesh till 1st of January, and afterward there is a likelihood of reduction in dense to very dense fog conditions. Then cold day to severe cold day conditions are likely to prevail over East Uttar Pradesh till 30th of December and Bihar till 31st of December, that is till during next 2 days. So now if we look at the synoptic systems which are prevailing, then as we have told you that there is a western disturbance which is currently located on 54 degrees and 30 degree north, and it is impacting western Himalayan regions. Then the subtropical westerly jet streams with the order of 140 knots is also prevailing over Delhi. There is a trough in central parts of South Bay of Bengal in easterlies, because of which squally weather may prevail over that region. Then there is a cyclonic circulation over North Kerala and adjoining and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. So now if you look at next 24 hours of warning, then you can see that from Punjab to Bihar, dense to very dense fog orange color warning is issued. Then dense fog warning in yellow color is also issued for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya and NMMT. Very dense fog warning is also in orange color is issued for Odisha also. Then cold day to severe cold day warnings are issued for East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Uttar Pradesh. Severe cold day warnings are issued for East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and cold day warnings are issued for Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand. Then cold wave warnings are issued for Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and North Interior Karnataka. Cold day warnings are issued for Madhya Pradesh also. Heavy snow, there is a warning of heavy snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir. Thunderstorm warnings for Andaman and Nicobar area is also issued. Then on 31st of December, you can see that the dense to very dense fog layer will continue from Punjab to Bihar. Severe cold day conditions will continue to prevail over Bihar. Cold day conditions will prevail over East Uttar Pradesh. Then cold wave warnings are issued for Himachal Pradesh along with cold day warnings, and similar cold wave warnings are issued for Telangana and NI. You can also see that the dense fog conditions over Odisha, West Bengal and Northeast will also continue. Particularly to the western Himalayan regions, you can see that heavy snow and rainfall warnings are issued for Jammu Kashmir along with thunderstorm warnings. Over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand also thunderstorm warnings are issued for 31st of December along with Punjab, Haryana and West Rajasthan. Thunderstorm warnings are also issued for Tamil Nadu and Andaman and Nicobar areas. On 1st of January, you can see in this map that the dense fog layer will decrease, and now only very dense fog warnings in orange color are issued for East Uttar Pradesh. For remaining parts of northwest India, that is Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, dense fog warnings in yellow color are issued. For Jammu and Kashmir, heavy snow and rainfall warnings along with thunderstorms are issued. For Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, thunderstorm warnings are issued. Cold wave and cold day conditions will continue over Himachal Pradesh. Then over northeast, Bengal and Odisha, similar dense to very dense fog warnings as they were given on 30th of December, they will continue. On Tamil Nadu and Andaman and Nicobar area, thunderstorm warnings will continue. On 2nd of January, you can see on your screen that the dense to very dense fog layer in intensity, it will reduce, and hence only dense fog warnings are issued for Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, over East India, for West Bengal and Odisha, and over northeast to Assam, Meghalaya and MMT. Over the western Himalayan regions, the cold wave conditions over Himachal Pradesh will continue, and fog conditions over Uttarakhand will also continue. 3rd of January, you can see that the similar dense fog conditions will continue, and dense fog warnings are issued for Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Uttarakhand, and over East India for Odisha also, and in northeast Assam, Meghalaya and MMT. Cold wave warnings are issued for West Rajasthan, and cold day warnings are issued for Bihar. For next 6 days, the cold wave conditions will prevail. Now on 4th of January, you can see that the fog layer is now reduced from Rajasthan, and now the fog warnings are issued only for Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and cold day warnings are issued for Bihar. Then on 5th of January, you can see that for Bihar, the dense fog warning is removed, and now the dense fog warnings are only issued for Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now if we look at the forecast of minimum temperature, then you can see that over northwest India, during next 2 days, the minimum temperature is likely to rise by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. Then it is likely to fall by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius in subsequent 3 days, and then there will be no significant change. Over central India, the temperature is likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 3 days. Thereafter, there will be no significant change. Over East India, there will be no significant change for next 24 hours, and after that the temperature is likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in 3 days, and then thereafter there will be no significant change. By next 48 hours, the temperature, there will be no significant change in the temperature. After that, the temperature is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in subsequent 2 days, and thereafter it is likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in subsequent 3 days. Over Maharashtra, the temperature is like there will be no change in minimum temperature for next 24 hours, and after that the temperature will fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in next 2 days, and thereafter it will rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in South Maharashtra in subsequent 4 days. For remaining parts of the country, there is no likelihood of any change in minimum temperature. Now on your screen, you can see the impacts this dense fog, cold day, cold wave will have on various sectors, and the actions which the authorities should take to minimize their impact. You can join us on our Mosam app, Mosam web page and various social media handles to get updated with latest weather information. Namaskar, Jai Hind.